Got a Perplexity answer you want to send to a friend or coworker? Here's how to share it with just a link. It takes like 10 seconds. First, open the thread you want to share. You can grab any thread from your history on the left side. Just click on it to open it up. Now look at the top right corner. You will see a share button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up your sharing options. Below the menu, you will see General Access. Click the drop down below it and you can choose between only people with access can view and anyone with the link can view. Let's choose anyone with link. Then hit Copy Link. And that is it. Your link is copied straight to your clipboard. Now you can paste that anywhere, chat, email, wherever, and they will be able to see your whole thread. Let me paste it to an incognito window so that you can see exactly what others see. And that is it. They can view the entire conversation you had there. No need to log in with an account or create a profile. It is seamless. That is it. Open your thread, hit share, copy the link, and send it off. It is a super quick and professional way to share your research or findings with anyone. Hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. I will see you in the next one.